Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Blockblast iOS. In order to do this, you will need to go over to your App Store, search for Blockblast. Now there might be different versions. You just need to locate the one you have. We're going to tap on it, and when you get here, you can see the update button. All you need to do is just simply tap on update if it needs updated, or if it has been updated, you will only see the open button, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.